How to update YouTube application. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to keep your YouTube application up to date. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and go to the Games section at bottom left corner. Sign in to your account. Tap the search icon at bottom right and the search bar at top. Now type in YouTube and launch the application. You need to tap on YouTube official app, and if you see update button, tap on update button. And then the application will be up to date to the latest version depending upon your space and internet connection. The next thing you need to follow is simply long press on YouTube app icon and select I button. Once you access app info section, you need to tap on storage uses and tap clear cache. And with that, you have successfully updated your YouTube app to the latest version. And with that, you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.